Afternoon, students. Last recorded class we say what is the copper coin and what is the amount of substance present in everything. Today we know the luminous intensity. Have you seen these scenes on the television? Yes. What is the umpire doing? Selfie. Yeah. No, he's checking the intensity of light. So some other matches are leave the light. No, because of this only we can define how the light will be measured, and that are you think about the any day. So everyone see the cricket in television. So light low means the match will be cancelled. Okay, otherwise they will put more light in morning session also, the test matches and all they put light. So how it is happen? So that only we can know that the measure of the power of the emitter light by the light source is a particular direction per unit solid angle is called as a luminous intensity. This is the definition marked down. This is 2-mark question. Okay, the SI units of luminous intensity we can calculate in the candela. Okay, then it is denoted the letter is CD. The light emitted from the common wax candle is approximately equal to 1 candela. Luminous intensity is measured by the photometer. Okay, so it is the important for the term of candela directly. Next, plane angle between the interaction two straight lines, the interaction of the two planes. The SI unit of the plane angle is a radian and denoted as a rad. Okay, see this is a plane angle, so that theta is there, no? So very important, the theta is there here, theta. So this is the plane angle, so this is the round, so this is a radian. How the radian is angle is going on there, so that we can know that the radian is we call it as the by radian is 180 degrees Celsius. What is that here? 180 degree. Okay, so this is one radian is the one radian is 180 degree divided by pi. Okay, this is the formula. So because of then only we can add the plane angle. Next, the solid angle. What is the solid angle? It is the angle formed by three or more planes interacting common point. It is called as the solid angle. The SI unit solid angle is a stereo and is denoted as a SR. So definition of them stereo is the solid angle at the center of the sphere and is a portion whose surface area is equal to the square of the radius of the sphere. So see, this is the sphere. So in that sphere the surface is then, this is the surface, center of the surface, how the angle going on that. So based on that only the angle of the stereo they will calculate in that. This is the sphere. What is this? This is the sphere only. Okay, radius is you know that now normally circle having. So this is the circle, so we can diameter is there, this is the radius, the half only radius. In that radius this is the surface, in this surface only light will emulated means that we can calculate in that. Okay, so next important 2-mark question is what is the difference between plane angle and solid angle? Angle between the intersection of the two lines, plane. Angle between the intersection of three or more planes means solid angle. Here 2 dimensional, here 3 dimensional. It is a unit is a radian, here unit is a stereo. Easy only. Okay, next clock, and the old clock and or Asian clock, no, so that this is Asian clock. You saw that the intervals, so many intervals is there, so many clocks are used from the Asian time only. So scientists now modify the accuracy because of this. So accuracy, they are one types of clocks. There are 2 types only there. Digital clock, everyone now having. So analog clocks, the one analog clocks in our home having, no, that is the analog clocks. So it is a hour's hand is there. You know that the lower class itself max teacher told that no short hand and so it is a short and thick, it shows the hour, and long hand is shows the minute, and second hand is the very small one is that is well as seconds. It makes one rotation in 1 minute and 60 rotation is 1 hour. So this is the analog clocks. The digital clocks, what is that meaning? And that way digital clocks display the time directly. So recent clocks are showing a date, day, month, year, temperature. So digital clocks what and all showing day, date, month, year, temperature. So this is called as the electronic clocks. Digital clocks are otherwise called as the electronic clocks. So this is a digital clock we are showing in the airport or railway station, and that place and all we can see this digital clock. Okay, now so types of the clocks based on the working mechanism. So based on the working mechanism there are many of the types are there. What are they? The clocks are activated with electronic oscillation. It's a quartz cycle crystal. Okay, the frequency of the vibrating crystal is precise, so the quartz clock is more accurate. So which clock is more accurate? Quartz clock. What is that? Quartz clock, correct. Then because it is a very accurate clock, so 1 second is every 10 to the power 9 seconds. So accurately we can calculate that. So next, atomic clock is meant. These clocks are making use of periodic vibration. So these clocks have accuracy of the 1 second in every 10 seconds. So this is a global navigation system, and internal time is distribution is a very So this is a different accuracy having. So next, accuracy in measurement. Measurement based on the experiment, the science and technology we can called as accuracy. Some other mistake and certainly it happening, that is we called as error. So value are the called as an error. So accuracy is the closeness of the measured value to the actual value. So some other experiment we can do, that means one or two times we can do it, that is was somebody get the 7.9, somebody get the 7.3. So based on that it will be getting the accurate value. So two or more measurement to each other. We are not following any standard value preparing the dish. So we are following the approximate method for choosing the ingredient. So and the ingredient taken approximately. Approximation the process of binding a number which is acceptable close to the exact value of the measurement of the physical quantity. See, this is, you know that, no? So how that the center point only it is a main. So how many, but that shooting is there, no? That time and all they are point out the center only, they got the points. And that close outside means poor. Okay, they are in a poor. Poor accuracy, poor precision, so it is not moving that the same place. So this is the precision of the accuracy. So we can estimate the number of the rounding. 3 times you are giving means 3 times you can point out one same place means okay, you are good. Preference is good, but your accuracy is very poor. Based on that only approximation they are calculating that accuracy. Okay, rounding off. Calculator while using the day by day. So calculator we can use that. Most of them use digital calculator as well as that. Nowadays all of them using the mobile only calculator. Whatever it is, now also we are studying using from mobile only. So decide which is the last digit to keep and leave it same and the digit less than 5. So it is based on that 5 are greater than 5 only. So these are the important. So some other numerical problems they are giving. So I can say that, so 80 degrees Celsius into how to Kelvin change means formula is, what is the formula? Kelvin formula is C plus 273. So 80 plus 273. So that is the answer, what? 353 Kelvin. Easily you can do that. Next sum is, so this is the answer. Next sum is convert 3K into Celsius. So this is a K minus 273. So 300 minus 27 Celsius. So this is the easy form sum. Next, 2 coulomb of charge flow through the circuit. How can the 10 second we can calculate means? So given is, this is the given, Q is the 2 and time is 10 seconds. So your formula there you can use this formula or this one. So first you can change the 2 pi divided by 10. So 0.2 is the answer. Next, 60 into radian, how we can calculate means, so by 180, now only I thought, so into 60 they are giving, so 0 0, after that 1 3s are 3, 6 3s are 18, so here 1 6 are 6, okay, 3 will by, so the answer is pi by 3. What is the answer? Pi by 3 is the answer. Okay, what's the answer? Pi by 3 is the answer. Next sum is convert the pi by 4 into degrees. This is all 180 by 4, 45 degrees coming. So 7th, round the number of the 2 decimal, identify the last digit. The following digit is that. So round of the number is 2 decimal places means what a 1.87 step will coming. So everybody you can write this solution sums, you can write in the note. Okay, thank you students. This lesson is over. Okay.